Imagine you are floating in space, looking at Earth, our planet, a perfect sphere, spinning in the vast emptiness of the cosmos. It is more than just a beautiful ball, it is a perfect representation of a geometry in action. But what if I told you that behind the elegance of that round shape lies a world of calculations, a world where we can figure out exactly how much space it occupies and how much surface wraps around it? Yes, today we are talking about the fascinating concept of volume and surface area of spheres. Understanding the volume and surface area of a sphere could unlock doors to all kinds of knowledge, and who knows, maybe even impress your math teacher or ace your exam score. What is sphere? First thing first, what exactly is a sphere? A sphere is a 3D shape where every point on the surface is the same distance from the center. That distance is known as radius. First up, surface area. Think of the surface area as how much wrapping paper you would need to cover a spherical gift, because let's be real, wrapping a ball is no joke. Mathematically, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of sphere, that is the distance from the center of the sphere to the edge. Pi is that magical number that keeps popping up in the maths, approximately 3.14159. But for exam's point of view, you can round it to 3.142. Let's do a quick example to make this more real. Suppose we have a small sphere like a table tennis ball with a radius of 5 cm. Then surface area is equal to 4 pi 5 square. By plugging the values we get 4 into 3.142 into 25, and the answer finally comes out to be 314.2 centimeters square. So we need 314.2 centimeters square of wrapping paper to cover this perfect little ball, right? Now let's find its volume. The volume tells us how much space the surface occupies. Imagine filling a ball with water. How much water can you fit inside? To find that, we use the volume formula for a sphere. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r square. To find the volume of the same sphere with the radius 5 cm, then the equation becomes 4 by 3 pi 5 square, which comes out to be 523.67 cubic centimeter. Why does this matter? Now you might be thinking, when I ever going to use this? Well, knowing how to calculate the surface area and volume of sphere incredibly useful in real life. Engineers use it for calculating fuel efficiency in spherical tanks. And if you are a baker, well, how else are you going to figure out how much cake batter fits into the spherical cake pan? Math isn't just about solving equations, it is about understanding the world around us. So until next time, keep rolling with the math. Thank you.